All right, so part two in the series. Tried to keep yesterday under 3 minutes. I'm going to try to shoot for that today. I tend to start to talk a lot. Like I said, this is a topic that we could literally have an 8-hour day on. Hydrogen sulfide is a very unique product, right? I talked about how it comes from anything organic yesterday and that decomposition of it. So one of the single biggest pollutants that we encounter with H2S is from paper mills, right? And there's over 90 paper mills in the United States, but it hits kind of close to home for me. We're pretty close to the one that's in South Carolina, and man, I want to say like 20-30 miles by the way the bird flies, so we could still smell that where we live at. It drifts up into Charlotte a lot, and it really just depends on the wind. So looking at that new Indy paper mill that's here in South Carolina, and the EPA has already issued injunctions against them just because of their H2S that's coming off the property from the Pulp mill. They have daily reports that come out and tells us what kind of parts per million range that we're expecting or they seen during the day. The other biggest place that I could think of is any wastewater treatment plant, and more or less, some people are going to live on our own septic systems. That's going to be another way that you're going to get that. But that wastewater treatment plant, any of the sewer lines coming through the city around town is going to have that stuff coming out of it. So again, it's just that key in air monitoring, right? H2S deadens your sense of smell. You're not going to be able to smell it after a while, and it hits us in that half a part per million range that we can start smelling it, and it's just going to go away, and you're going to think you're in a clean environment, right? So if you're around any of those places that have that stuff that's scrubbing, like the new Indy paper mill that's supposed to be scrubbing the air as it comes out, and it's taking that H2S out of it, then have your meter, right? If you're going to do that confined space work, have your meter. That's to say the least, because there's so many other things down there that could be displacing that oxygen as well. So hopefully this has answered a few of those questions. If you have any more, just reach out.